Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today I have August favorites. What products have I been loving all of August? Just to let you know that it's been so hot and humid here in St. John's, so the less products I put on my face, the better it is. So the first two products I'm going to talk about, I've been talking about these now for quite some time, and it is by Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini Polypeptides Moisturizing Cream. So this here has a total of 9 single peptides. It's good for oily, combination dry, sensitive skin like Drunk Elephant's products are. And I find this moisturizes my skin so well. But what I like to do, like, you know, I have a bit of a glowy skin look, like this is not a tan or anything like that. It's these two products put together. This here is the mini of the d-bronzi Sunshine or Anti-Sunshine. Nicole, get it right. It is by Drunk Elephant. And it is the d-bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. There we go, Nicole. You knew you would get it. But anyways, I do 2 pumps of this. And as you could tell, like, it's got a bit of a stain there. So I do 2 pumps of this moisturizing cream with a pump of this. Then I go ahead, apply it to my skin. Then I go back in with some more. And you can really control how tan you want to look. The reason why I love this product so much is because I'm not harming my skin. I'm not one to go out and lie down in the sun and tan. I'm just not. And it takes a very long time for me to actually tan. My freckles are popping out a little bit here and there, but not like extreme. So I really love this because it is saving my skin from the sun and I'm not doing any damage to my skin. But this one here does come with 2 other products in a little container, and it's like around in the $30 range, where the full size one is a bit more expensive, which I'm still going to be purchasing. Actually, I probably already purchased it by the time this video went up during the Sephora summer event with 20% off. But these 2 products here are great. If you haven't tried them yet, go ahead. And not only that, you don't need to go out and buy the full size of this, or you don't need to buy it at all. That's what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that you could go ahead, mix this into any of your moisturizer. So you don't necessarily need to have the Drunk Elephant Protini moisturizer. You could go ahead and mix the d-bronzi moisturizer into your other moisturizers. And also, if you just want to try it out, just go into Sephora, ask them for a little sample. They will give you a little sample, and then just take a little tiny dab and mix it into your moisturizer, and then it'll give you this beautiful sun-kissed glowy look that we all want. Surprise! It's back again because I cannot stop talking about this palette. I will have this definitely in my holy grail products for sure. It is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Beautiful palette, gorgeous, plastic cover, cream products, powder products, so it doesn't mix. I don't want to go on too much about this because I talk about this palette a lot. I have it on my face today. Don't be afraid of this blush. It is beautiful. Never was one for cream blushes till I swatched this one in store. It is silky, it is buttery, it is smooth, it is pigmented, but you could also just control how much you want to apply to your face and then just blend it out, and it just gives you those gorgeous rosy cheeks. I'm pretty sure, Nicole, you're going to be able to talk correctly one of these days. But anyhow, gorgeous palette. Enough said about this one. Another palette that I've loved, and I mentioned quite a lot, but then I stopped using it for a while, and now I'm using it again. And it's by Becca, and it's the Khloe and Malika, the BFF's face palette. This one here is in Made with Love by Khloe. Love this palette. Love the contour shade, love the blush, love the highlight, just love. I love this palette. It is beautiful. I actually have this underneath the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette today, and then I did go in with the highlight and I popped it on my nose and the inner corner of my eye. It just gives the right amount of glow, right amount of contour. It's just like, this contour shade is beautiful. And it's not like an orangey color. It's very, very gorgeous, very smooth, really, really natural. And that is what I like about it. All in all, a beautiful, beautiful palette. And another product that I've been using all of August is by Chanel. This is the Soleil Tan De Chanel, and this here is beautiful. Of course, it's a bronzing product. I also use this for contour, but then if I want to just brown up my nose a little bit and make it look, say, a little tiny bit tan, I just go ahead and apply this, and I also apply it underneath my eye area, and it is gorgeous. I've had this now for, it feels like almost a year that I've had this product. I don't know, but it's a long time, and it doesn't even look like I put a dent in it. And this here, you're getting a total of 1 ounce. So this is a very, very big product, lasts a long time. The price tag is great because of the amount of product that you are getting in it. I think I paid like, at Shoppers Beauty Boutique, I'm trying to remember how much I paid. I think it was like in the $50 range mark maybe. But anyhow, this here is gorgeous, love it. I think it'll look great on everyone's skin tone. All around beautiful product, and also it smells gorgeous as well. I just love to contour with it. Now on to lashes. I love this little tool. It's from Sephora. It's the little mini one. Any lash tool is really great to curl your lashes, but I just like this one because it's mini and tiny, and it just clamps onto my lashes perfectly. It curls them great, and I love the color of it too, the rose gold. I think it's really pretty. And I also been loving, surprise, they're back again. Of course they are. It's the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara Primer along with the Velvet Noir Mascara. Love these two. This is what I have on. It just makes my lashes look super full and gorgeous, and the mascara applies beautiful. It does not clump. It separates my lashes gorgeous. This mascara primer is one of the best mascara primers that I own. I love a good mascara primer. If you guys have not tried a mascara primer, you definitely should. Even go out and find the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara Primer. That's a great one from the drugstore. Try it. You will love it. It will change your life forever. Like, I don't know what I was doing before when I was just using mascara. Now that I use mascara primer, it just changes everything. But these two here are so, so good. Just so good. And keep talking about eyes. It's the Huda Beauty, the new Nudes palette. This is what I have on my eyes today. This palette is gorgeous. I just love the pinks in here. I love how, like, you could have a neutral pink tone, but then if you want to just darken it up a bit today, you know, you could go in with the darker shades. All around great palette. Not going to rave too much about this because I talk about this palette a lot as well. I think this would look beautiful on everyone. Like, absolutely gorgeous. And if you just want a gorgeous, soft, nudie pink and just something really, really elegant, this palette here is it. So you guys, I know this seems to be a very kind of chatty, not talking right, funny video, but that's the kind of mood that I'm in today. This was my August favorites. Let me know in the comments down below, what have been your August favorites? Anything that I talked about today in this video, are they your favorites too? Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!